Do you have a nice brand new car, but you're tired of getting dog hair and dirt all over your carpets? Do you want to prevent getting mud and dirt built up all in your floorboard here? Or do you have an older car with a lot of miles on it and you just can't stand to see the holes in your floor anymore? Then have I got the product for you. Check this out. These are LasFit floor liners from a company called LasFit. And they offer these awesome liners. They have high ridges to keep all the water and liquid and moisture and mud all trapped inside so it doesn't spill over. They're made out of this awesome grippy material that is also super durable. I mean, there's no way you're gonna wear through this. This is a strong mat. And these products are made with care. They have laser lined edges so that it fits perfectly. Right here's the cut up for the trunk releases. This is going to be a perfect fit in my Toyota Camry. They even have this super clever design that has a cap that goes over where your floor mat hooks into your floor so that nothing gets trapped in right where the hook is. That's a very easy entry point for debris and moisture, and this protects that. If you saw on my restoration series of the Camry, when I removed the hook and latch where the trunk releases, there was all kinds of dirt that got stuck under there. So this is a great feature to have. Some other amazing features that I'm super excited about, and mind you, this is all for under $200. I've seen some floor liners that are well over $300 and don't give you what these LasFit liners have. For example, you have a center tunnel that is connected. You don't get that at any discount auto parts store floor mats. No, no, no. These are awesome. This protects the entire center hump. There is no water that could slide in between the mats. You know, if you just had two individuals, you still have the center part that gets pretty worn out because it's higher up. Lots of people kick it and stuff. This will totally protect that. And on top of that, they're thrown in a trunk liner that has the same amazing features. You totally covered. It's a complete kit. Everything matches. Everything fits perfectly. You don't have to go shopping around for a separate rear seat kit or a separate trunk liner kit. It's all included. They do all the hard work for you. And if you do manage to get these things all dirty and muddy and covered in sand like they're meant to be used for, you can just hose them right out. And since it's non-stick, you can just throw them back in the car while they're still wet and you won't be slipping and sliding around the road. So without any further ado, let's use this amazing product to cover up the ripped up nasty carpets in my Toyota Camry. All right, guys, check this out. Installation could not be any easier. We're gonna hide this horrible, nasty, ripped up carpet showing bare metal. I'm gonna do this one-handed. Just grab the floor mat, tuck it on in there under the pedals, just like that. Slide it down, hook in your hooks. But once you line it up here, just gonna push down, twist, and you're all set. And that's it. Once you have it in, you're basically hiding all the baking soda I put in to cover up the smells in this car, and you just take your little cap and you snap it on in, and this thing looks brand new in here, guys. I mean, check this out. Now, we're going to do a little bit of a durability test here. I'm going to clean the pedals of all the mud, and it's going to drip down, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to wash off all this mud. This is from a field worker that used to own this car. He never cleaned it. So this is super old, nasty, manure-filled dirt. We're going to have it get right on these brand new mats. I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean up. We're going to spray these down, get them super wet. Look at all that just dripping down on my brand new mats. Oh no, look at that mud coming out of there. Look at that, just rocks and mud and all this disgusting nastiness. But check it out, it's getting caught in the ridges of the mat and it's not going everywhere. Then I can just take my brush and just start scrubbing away. All right, check it out. Here's the aftermath. The mat totally caught all the water and the nasty mud that came off the pedals. And we're just gonna wipe it up just with a towel. And there you have it, guys. The pedals look a lot better. The floor mats didn't stain. This is a win-win. All right, guys, let's get the rest of these installed. Don't mind the missing back seat. That's in another video. But just throw them on in. Of course, if you have an actual carpet that's lined up properly, this will be easier for you. So here it is all installed. Beautiful laser cut lining like I was talking about. Nice high ridges. I mean, you could probably put a gallon of water or melted snow on this thing and it wouldn't slosh out as long as you don't hit the brakes too hard. I mean, I'm really impressed. Once they get a proper back seat in here, this is going to look like a brand new car. I mean, this is just awesome. Let's throw in the passenger side. I want to talk about on the back side, there's all these sharp little spiky things here. And this keeps the floor mat very secure on the floor so you're not kicking it around and sliding. Once it's in, this thing is in. It is solid. And here it is all installed on the passenger side. It looks awesome. This looks like a brand new car in here. If I told you a week ago this looked like some farmer's nasty farm car, I don't know if you believe me. I mean, obviously, if you look at the seat, you think, okay, yeah, there's something bad happened here. But in terms of the floors, I mean, this looks brand new. This looks awesome. Here's what I'm most excited about is the trunk. This carpet is super stained, really nasty. And we're gonna cover all this up and make it look brand new again with this liner. There it is, guys. Check that out. The fitment is actually pretty good. My carpet is kind of messed up. Like it's totally peeling back over there, so that's why it doesn't quite fit right. You won't have that problem if your carpet's in good shape and mine's all messed up. So that has nothing to do with the product. That's just because my car's a piece of crap. But if you look in here, they even wrapped it all the way around the back. I mean, who thinks of that? A lot of places would just kind of cut it off and be cheap, but they really went the extra mile here. I mean, I'm all the way in my trunk right now. I would never even touch that, but there it is. It's covered. So let's talk about some of the reasons why you would want to do this to your car. For one, it makes cleaning a breeze. I've had rubber liners in my cars for years now, and you can just vacuum them out in 5 seconds. I mean, it's so easy. It's like vacuuming a hardwood floor in your house, right? It's great. Another thing is stains. These don't stain. I mean, yes, it's a surface, and dirt will sit on a surface, but once you actually get to cleaning it, you can hose them off, a little bit of soap and water and a brush, and they will look brand new again. And so that's great compared to carpet, that if you mess up carpet, that's done. Like, you got to buy new carpet. So let's say you're driving in the pouring rain, you get a flat tire, you got to change your tire, right? Now you're putting a dirty, nasty, wet, dripping, muddy wheel on a rubber liner that will look great once you clean it the next day. Versus, you know, if you're down here, right, with your carpet, I mean, that's why this is staying in the first place. When I got this car, the spare tire was just loose back here. That's probably what happened to this carpet. It got all messed up from changing a spare. That won't happen anymore. If you have kids that just do stuff like this to your car, if they're willing to do this to your car, they're probably going to walk through some mud and trample it all through here. And if you got a bunch of muddy kid footprints in here, well, that'll wipe right out too. Or let's say you're a parent of a new teen driver. Your dad's sitting here in the passenger seat, 16-year-old Jimmy's right there in the front, and he just slams on the brakes and you spill your milkshake all over the floor. That will just clean right up with these floor mats. Or perhaps you're a construction worker and you wear big clunky steel-toed boots every day, and you don't want to wear a hole through your carpet down to your metal floorboard like the previous owner of this car did. If he had these floor mats from day one, that would have never happened. That was my first look and initial opinions of these LasFit liners. I think they're awesome. I think everybody should buy them. You should always have rubber liners in your car, regardless of what brand you go with. These LasFit ones are awesome. And right now they're having a special. They're usually about $225, but right now you can get them for $179, which I think is a great deal considering you get every single floor surface in your car covered. You should go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys.